Today I'm going to show you how to speed up audio without changing the pitch in CapCut PC. And this is a really useful trick if you want your voiceover, music, or sound effect to play faster while still sounding natural. A lot of people speed up audio and end up with that weird high-pitched chipmunk effect, but in this tutorial I'll show you exactly how to avoid that. If this video helps you, please make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple CapCut tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your project in CapCut PC. If you haven't created one yet, start a new project and import the video or audio you want to work with. Once your project is open, add the audio file to the timeline. You can do this by dragging the audio from your media library directly into the audio track area. Make sure the clip is placed correctly so you can easily select it. Now click on the audio clip in the timeline so it becomes highlighted. This is important because all of the speed settings you need are tied to the selected clip. After selecting the audio, look over to the right panel where CapCut shows the editing options for that clip. In that panel, find the speed section. This is where you can control how fast the audio plays back. Go ahead and increase the speed to whatever value you want. For example, if you want it slightly faster, try 1.5 times. If you want it much quicker, you can go up to 2 times or another speed that fits your project. But here's the most important part. Make sure the Change Audio Pitch option is turned off. If this setting is enabled, CapCut may alter the pitch and make the audio sound unnatural. Turning it off keeps the voice or sound closer to the original tone while still speeding it up. Once that option is disabled, preview the clip to make sure it sounds the way you want. Play it back a few times and listen carefully to confirm that the timing is faster, but the pitch stays consistent. If needed, adjust the speed again until it sounds perfect for your edit. And that's it. That's how to speed up audio without changing pitch in CapCut PC. It's quick, easy, and once you know where the setting is, you can use it on voiceovers, music, interviews, and all kinds of audio clips. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.